Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Well, coincidifying whether a 30% relief rally is more than a pipe dream for MANA. Decentraland's price has shown considerable resilience relative to other altcoins. Another impressive development from MANA is that it has managed to stay afloat, despite the Russia-induced flash crash across financial markets. Furthermore, MANA's price seems to be picturing the formation of a bottom reversal pattern, one that forecasts gains for the metaverse token. MANA stands its ground. MANA's price witnessed an exponential run-up in late October after the announcement from Meta, formerly Facebook. This upswing propelled it by 693% to set a swing high of $5.91 on 24 November. Since this point, MANA has retraced multiple times, producing lower highs and equal lows. As a result, Decentraland has bounced off its crucial support level at $2.20 thrice, forming a triple bottom setup. This technical formation is a bottom reversal pattern that forecasts a trend reversal, stipulating gains for the metaverse token. Investors can expect MANA to rally by 28% before encountering a resistance barrier at $2.83. While there is a good chance the alt can set a local top here, a pile-up of bid orders could send MANA exploding to $3.5, constituting a 58% ascent. There is a good chance market makers might sweep the $3.5 barrier to collect buy stop liquidity resting above it. What do the metrics tell us? Supporting this claim from a technical perspective is the recent downtrend in the supply of MANA tokens on exchanges. This number has reduced from 809.05 million to 805.03 million tokens over the last 3 days. In total, 4 million MANA tokens have left centralized entities over the last 3 days, suggesting that its investors are highly bullish on the performance of the token. Adding credence to the bullish thesis is the 30-day market value to realize value (MVRV) model. It was ticking around -9.38% at press time. This negative value suggests that the risk of a sell-off is relatively low. This indicator is used to approximate the average profit and loss of investors who purchased MANA over the last month. If these holders are in profit, there is a chance of a potential sell-off, but if the holders are underwater, the likelihood of these buyers selling their holdings at a loss is low. In light of the aforementioned value, there is a good chance long-term holders are accumulating MANA at its current price levels. Hence, market participants can expect to see a bullish turnaround for the metaverse token in the near future. While things look bullish for MANA, investors need to be cautious as the crypto markets have become more volatile than usual. Therefore, a potential spike in selling pressure, one that knocks Decentraland to produce a 3-day candlestick close below $2.20, will invalidate the bullish thesis. The next news: Ukraine crisis. The West unleashes swift bans against Russia. As pressure against Russia builds, so does the role of crypto. First Mover has the latest as the Russia-Ukraine crisis tests the role of cryptocurrencies in war and sanctions. Christine Lee and Lawrence Luton sit down with experts to examine various ways cryptocurrencies are being used and the implications. S. Elias Shetrud of Solidus Labs, a market surveillance and risk monitoring hub, Alona Shevchenko, a Cranedow founder, and Kapil Rathi, CrossTower co-founder and CEO. The Ukrainian government is purchasing critical supplies including petrol, food and military equipment using cryptocurrencies donated as the country stands against a Russian invasion. Around $10 million has already been spent. The donations are being distributed from the government's digital wallets, set up by Kyiv-based crypto exchange Kuna, to other digital wallets before being spent, blockchain data show. By Monday morning, around $6.5 million worth of Ether had been moved out of a government wallet to the exchange. CoinDesk has been tracking the inflow of more than $16 million of cryptocurrencies into 3 digital wallets associated with Ukraine's defense against the Russian invasion. One wallet, set up by a local non-profit, had raised over $7 million in Bitcoin at publication time. The 2 others, one Bitcoin and another Ether, set up by Kuna on behalf of the Ukrainian government on Friday, had raised more than $8 million in total by Sunday. Chebanian shared a report on his Twitter account on Monday, showing the total crypto support for the government of Ukraine, through a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, has surpassed $12 million. Elliptic, which helps track transactions on blockchains, said Monday that government and non-governmental organizations had reached $20 million. The funds were collected as Russia closed in on Ukraine's capital, Kyiv. On Saturday, Western nations agreed to imposing tougher financial sanctions on Russia in an effort to deter the conflict. On Sunday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky agreed to start peace talks, just as Russian President Putin put the country's nuclear deterrence force on high alert. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.